Hey, what's going on everybody? It is Nick here, back with a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about XRP, pretty much kind of discussing some updates that have come out. I know that I haven't been as active as I usually am. That is just because I've been dealing with a lot of business stuff and also kind of personal life stuff. Just kind of really focusing on more important things other than kind of just focusing on crypto for the most part. It's always good to disconnect. It's always healthy as well. But for the most part, we are back and we are going to be as active as ever. I do have plans to upload a few XRP videos today, as well as a couple other videos in terms of Stack, Bitcoin Cash, as well as some other projects that I have been talking about a lot recently, including Matic. I really want to get an update out on Matic just because I think that that is going to be an absolute monster of a hold. But nonetheless, let's get into what this video is truly about. So we actually have this article from U.Today. 75.4 million XRP tokens moved by Ripple and Binance, with Ripple's regular tranche to Huobi. Fintech Decacorn Ripple has moved a whopping 75.5 million XRP tokens along with Binance and one more leading crypto exchange, which was Huobi. And then we also have down here, they moved over $106.3 million in XRP with major exchanges supporting XRP liquidity in China. Ripple blockchain behemoth has again been noticed moving XRP to Huobi, while leading crypto exchanges have also moved large amounts of this SEC battered token. Now, the reason why this is important, or the reason why I'm even talking about this, is just because I think that we could also prepare for relistings happening very shortly. And the reason why I say this is we have another topic to talk about in this video that most people who have been holding XRP or watching XRP videos probably already know. I am a little bit behind on it, just to really give you guys an insight, but we do have an update in terms of the SEC case, which is actually pretty interesting as well. But nonetheless, Ripple moves $106.3 million in XRP with major exchanges. Whale Alert blockchain service that tracks the movement of large amounts of cryptocurrencies has detected around a dozen transactions in which 75.5 million XRP tokens were moved by Ripple Labs, Binance, Kraken, and other small crypto exchanges. This is why I believe we're going to see relistings. We're seeing a lot more liquidity brought into these exchanges, which is probably the idea of preparing for either a settlement or just kind of clarity to actually happen for XRP, which if that does happen, then we can kind of scratch off the surface of $10 being the top, or $13 or $15 or even $20 being the top for this cycle. I think that we could see easily $30 plus. But nonetheless, we'll read more about this. So Ripple has made its daily transfer to the largest Chinese crypto exchange, Huobi, almost 5 million. This is the amount the crypto heavyweight will be sending to Huobi every day this week. Last week, the daily amount of XRP moved from Ripple to Huobi totaled 7 million, according to blockchain analytics company Bithom. The transfers were made via Ripple's RL18VN wallet, and we actually have the proof here of those transactions being sent, if you guys want to look at it. Now, down here we have just kind of a little update on it, is supporting XRP liquidity in China. Ripple usually provides crypto exchanges with XRP to support the coin's liquidity on global markets. Its regular XRP tranches to the leading Chinese exchange suggest that the DLT giant may be ensuring XRP liquidity in China. And the reason why this is important, and the reason why I was talking about this, was just overall kind of discussing this article, which is, it's actually not an article, it's an update via the SEC case. Now, if you guys are in XRP, and you guys do watch a lot of XRP videos, you probably already heard about this or seen it overall just by following James K. Fillon. If you guys don't, I definitely advise you guys to follow him. He's pretty much, him and also Jeremy Hogan really give you guys updates via the SEC case, which is very interesting. But nonetheless, we actually have this tweet. A telephonic conference to discuss the SEC news motion to compel the turnover of documents regarding legal advice Ripple received about whether sales or offerings of XRP were securities has been scheduled for May 21st, 2021 at 2 p.m. Now, this is actually going to be massive for XRP if this is a W. Now, if this is an L for Ripple, yes, it is going to be something that is going to be, I would say, pretty rough to hear, just because it kind of, this could either clear the air for Ripple or it could really kind of just blow up in all of our faces. I mean, that's truly the way that I would like to put it. So I'm definitely going to be joining this call. If you guys do want to join the call, they actually list the numbers and everything on here as well. But for the most part, I'm definitely going to be listening in, and I will update you guys via text or anything like that. I can't record it, obviously, and I'm not going to try to do anything kind of like that. But for the most part, I definitely want to join it, hear it, and listen to it, and kind of update you guys along the way. I'll probably make a video on it as well. But I do also want to talk to you guys a little bit about the market right now. Now, let me just refresh it. So we did see Ethereum kind of rush to almost a $500 billion market cap earlier. Now we kind of did pull back a little bit as Bitcoin's doing a little bit of a correction. We are in a little bit of a corrective state. Now, I do think that this corrective state could last a little bit longer than expected, but I believe that XRP will most likely follow Ethereum in terms of the pump. Now, that doesn't mean that, you know, we're going to a $500 billion market cap like right now or anything like that. It just means that we are going to most likely flip BNB definitely for the third spot. We'll probably move to, honestly, like by the end of this bull run, we'll probably be either in the second or the first spot in terms of market cap. And I know a lot of people are going to call me crazy for saying that, but yes, I do believe that XRP will most likely flip Bitcoin in terms of market cap to take the #1 spot. That doesn't mean, hey, it's going to 55K or anything like that, but what I mean is that it's just going to flip the market cap to be the #1 spot holder. And anybody that doesn't think that that is a possibility, I just want to say that that's totally fine. It's okay if you believe that. I mean, I'm not going to argue with you. I just want to say that Bitcoin dominance right now is almost at 42%. It's actually below 42%. It's at 41.96. We are currently trading at about a $2.4 trillion market cap, and we are ranging to really see the altcoins move. Now, I don't believe that Bitcoin's top is in, but I will say this: 100K is not looking like it's a solid point for Bitcoin. Anybody that is still saying that 100K for Bitcoin is coming, I obviously don't think that they are looking really at market structure, because I don't think that 100K is really in sights right now for it. Like I said, my top point is 75 to 85K, and we almost hit that recently. But for the most part, I think that XRP is definitely going to top Bitcoin's market cap. And if it wanted to top that market cap at its top, it would have to be at about $22. I believe that we could see most likely $35 for XRP this bull run. And the reason why I think $35 is a clear sight is I just think that if we get clarity for the case and if relistings happen, then I don't even think that 35 is the top. I think we could see 50 plus. But for the most part, even if we don't get clarity and if we don't get relistings, I still think $35 is achievable overall. But I think right now, our main target right now should be all-time high of $3.92. But I just want to stress the idea that we are still very early in this bull run. I know that a lot of people will, argue the fact that, we've been in a bull run for the last, few months, but we really haven't. Bitcoin dominance hasn't bottomed out yet. When Bitcoin dominance reaches about 30%, that's when I would be concerned about this bull run kind of getting close to being over. Now, we will make new lows in terms of Bitcoin dominance, and we will make a massive amount of new highs overall for all cryptocurrencies. But right now, the main things to really look at is Bitcoin, because we could see the bottom being 49K, in which, yes, most alts will take a hit with it. Just because Bitcoin dominance is at 42% almost, Doesn't mean that alts are safe. You know, if we do dip at 49K, we could see a lot more movement in terms of a downside movement on all alts, including XRP. But I think that that will be the last final dip. Overall, I think that's the last correction in which that allows us to make newer highs on pretty much everything, including Bitcoin. And I think that's where we really see the topping point of about 75 to 85K overall. But we still need to analyze the market in a PA perspective to really see what's going to happen next. Because currently, right now, we are seeing a lot of, volatile markets, especially in the meme coins section. I don't really like to talk about meme coins, and I don't shill meme coins. But for the most part, we have seen some articles come out today saying that Vitalik, who is the CEO of Ethereum, he basically donated pretty much all of the liquidity in terms of the meme coin market to India's COVID charity, which is crazy because a lot of those meme coins did get hurt and they did take a substantial hit. But that's why I don't put more than something that I don't mind losing in those meme coins. I only throw small amounts of money into those. But for the most part, a lot of my money is tied up in real use projects like XRP or HBAR and stuff like that that does have utility. And I think that that is the safest bet because we are going to see a utility run that will be massive and really kind of shut up anybody who is a maxi in terms of Bitcoin or any sort of project like that that doesn't really have a true use case value. In my opinion, I like Bitcoin Cash over Bitcoin itself because Bitcoin Cash does have the utility aspect of it, and Bitcoin is kind of just like digital gold that has no real use case besides it being the store of value. But nonetheless, guys, I figured I would just kind of update you guys on XRP and really talk to you guys overall about the market. I will go more in depth here shortly on probably one of my other XRP videos, kind of really analyzing the market, kind of analyzing the charts as well, and really talking to you guys one-on-one with that. But for the most part, I just figured I would get a quick update out, in terms of the SEC case, as well as some, articles that came out as well. But nonetheless, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please leave a like. Also, if you guys like the content, please subscribe and also turn notifications on. Over 90% of you guys are not subscribed, which is crazy to me. But I do appreciate all the support and the continued support from everybody who does follow me on Twitter as well. If you guys do want more free content, definitely follow me on Twitter and also join the Discord down in the description below. But nonetheless, guys, this has been Nick. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.